Hi everyone, and today we are going to explain Microsoft Excel templates. So the objectives are knowing templates type, templates importance, templates application, and templates are awesome because it's ready, free, save your time, save your effort, improve your daily life management, optimize your life. Okay, and today we are going to explain a new template, and our template here is personal expenses dashboard. So if you want to get this template, you can find this template attached in the material of this lecture. Also, you can find this template here in Microsoft Excel from File, New, search by personal expenses, enter, and here is our file, click and create. And this is our today template about personal expenses dashboard. So how does it work? Open expense log, and when you open expenses log, you will find date, category, subcategory, and amount. So you write the date and select category, and you have daily, fun, housing, transport categories. Also you have subcategory like cinema, clothing, contract, electricity, fuel, gym, haircut, internet, subway, sweets, and etc. Also in dollar, enter the amount you spend on this category. Okay, and when you complete this data, you will find two dashboard. Just click on it, or you can open the dashboard from here, dashboard tab, and you will find this chart with this filters. You will find date, you will find category, you will find subcategory, and you just select the filter you want to slice. So if you want to know your expenses in March, just select March, and here is your expenses in March. If you want to know your expenses in April or May or August or July, okay, you just select the category you want to slice, you want to filter. If you want to delete all the filter and present all your data, just remove any filter from here, clear filter, or Alt C. Here is your expenses over all categories. Also, if you want to know your daily expenses, if you want to know fun category, if you want to know transport category, housing category, if you want to clear all these categories from here. Also, if you want to know a subcategory, a specific subcategory, your expenses for a specific subcategory, just select from this list here. So I want to know our expenses for fuel, or for gym, or for haircut and gym, by pressing Control. If you want to select two filters, just select Control. So Control, landing, phone, gym, haircut. If you want to also to add electricity, if you want to add cinema, here is our expenses for cinema, gym, haircut, electricity, land, phone, in all days, in all main categories. Okay, if you want to clear this filter, of course, from here. So it's amazing dashboard for your personal expenses. It's ready, it's free. Please practice, please use it. So thank you and goodbye.